Welcome to our Vetzyme review, a classic and affordable supplement that's been trusted by pet owners for decades. We'll see how it stacks up against modern options, including our current #1 pick, FetchAgain. So starting with the pros, it's widely available, inexpensive, and has that legacy appeal as a trusted name in pet care. Its formula is simple enough. But unfortunately, as is often the case with budget supplements, it just doesn't have enough of its core ingredients to line up with the studies. The ingredients themselves are right, there just aren't enough of them. It doesn't mean it won't do anything, just compared to our top pick, it doesn't hold up. There are a couple of other issues as well, but we'll come on to those later. It relies mainly on glucosamine, an important joint-supporting ingredient, though Vetzyme uses it in relatively low amounts and doesn't pair it with other compounds like MSM or chondroitin. It also includes B vitamins, which support energy levels and skin health, but don't really address broader nutritional needs. Finally, there's cod liver oil, a time-tested choice for joint lubrication that can help reduce stiffness and soreness. Vetzyme's strengths are clear. It's cheap, easy to find, and provides some level of support for joints and coat health. Its reputation as a long-standing pet brand gives it a certain level of trust. But that's also where the issues start to show. The formula is outdated and lacks more modern, bioavailable ingredients. It doesn't include MSM, probiotics, CoQ10, or digestive enzymes, and the tablets themselves can be harder for some dogs to take compared to soft chews. The coverage is narrow, mostly limited to joints and coat health, without any real support for overall well-being. When we compare Vetzyme to a modern supplement like FetchAgain, the differences become clear. FetchAgain contains glucosamine too, but at the proper dosage and combined with chondroitin for better effectiveness. It also goes further by adding CoQ10 to support cartilage repair, Opti-MSM for more potent anti-inflammatory effects, and blends of probiotics and digestive enzymes to help your dog actually absorb the nutrients they need. That broader approach means FetchAgain doesn't just target joints, but helps with digestion, energy, and overall long-term health. Joint supplements work by giving the body nutrients that help maintain cartilage, reduce inflammation, and support natural repair processes in the joints. Glucosamine and chondroitin rebuild and protect cartilage. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation that causes pain and stiffness. MSM supports connective tissue health and can ease joint discomfort. Together, these ingredients can noticeably improve mobility and quality of life, especially as dogs age. It's usually best to start joint supplements before your dog shows visible signs of discomfort, particularly for breeds prone to joint issues. Many vets recommend starting preventative supplementation in middle-aged or large breed dogs, or earlier if your dog is very active or has a history of joint problems. Starting early can help delay arthritis and other degenerative joint conditions. Most high-quality supplements are safe for dogs, especially those made with veterinary-approved ingredients, but some dogs can get mild side effects like gastrointestinal upset. Always talk to your vet first if your dog has underlying health issues or is taking medication. The effects of supplements are gradual. It often takes 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use to see improvement, depending on the severity of the issue and how well your dog responds. Puppies don't usually need joint supplements, except in cases like hip dysplasia or recovery from orthopedic surgery, and even then it should be under veterinary guidance. Choosing the right joint supplement comes down to ingredients, dosage, and quality control. Look for products that contain glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and omega-3 fatty acids in clinically effective doses. Hyaluronic acid is another great addition as it supports joint lubrication. Check that the supplement is made in facilities that follow good manufacturing practices or have third-party certifications. Products from countries with strict regulations like the US or EU are usually safer. Transparent labeling is a good sign, so avoid products that hide exact ingredient amounts. Supplements recommended by vets or supported by clinical studies tend to be more reliable. And finally, think about whether your dog will actually take the product. Chews and powders are often easier than tablets. A supplement only works if your dog takes it consistently. Vetzyme may still appeal to owners looking for a cheap, basic supplement, but dogs today deserve more than just the basics. Modern supplements have evolved with better ingredients, better dosages, and better absorption. FetchAgain is our current top recommendation because it delivers far more comprehensive support for joints, digestion, and overall health, all in an easy-to-take form. If your goal is to keep your dog active, happy and healthy for years to come, there are better choices available today than Vetzyme.